Introducing Cypher, a powerful yet simple way to protect your privacy, security, and family online. Today, our world is more connected to the internet than ever before. Whether browsing Facebook, adjusting Nest, or shopping on Amazon, we're leaving behind trails of data that tell internet companies a lot about ourselves. But our privacy is just the beginning. We also need to worry about online fraud, identity theft, and hackers. It can all feel overwhelming. That's why we created Cypher. Cypher encrypts your data to keep it private from internet companies and marketers. It also protects every device in your home or business from the latest cyber threats. And finally, you can rest easy knowing that your family is protected. Cypher's parental controls make the internet safe even for the savviest kids. Being connected shouldn't be a nightmare. Stay safer with Cypher.
If how we spend our days is always connected, staring at our screens, well, that will be how we spend the rest of our lives. You see, as humans, we are vulnerable, and our smartphones are engineered to use these vulnerabilities against us. This is why we've intentionally designed a phone to be used as little as possible. It's a phone that encourages you to leave behind your smartphone, to spend that quality time doing the things that you love the most. We call it going light. Almost 3 years and 10,000 phones later, we find ourselves asking, how can we go light more often? How can we go light for good? Introducing the Light Phone 2. A beautiful math display, 4G connectivity, and messaging. We are rethinking what an operating system can be. A few essential tools, thoughtfully implemented, and a pleasure to use. Maybe an alarm clock, a ride home, a playlist, or some simple directions. These are tools, not feeds. It's a phone that actually respects you. Light was born as a refreshing alternative to the tech monopolies. We don't want to be made to feel that we're not enough. We believe objects can empower us, can help us appreciate our lives even more. We are humans, and we're taking back our lives.
Hi, I'm Julie, and this is my brother Christian. We're the founders of Mate.
You might remember us from the first Mate campaign, where more than 7,000 of you supported our mission to make the coolest and best possible e-bike ever.
Your trust and support helped us to kickstart a biking revolution all over the world. Today, we're ready to push it even further, and you can be part of it.
After more than a year in development, we're finally ready to introduce the next generation of Mate.
Mate X. It's bigger, tougher, more durable, and the most powerful Mate to date. The battery is longer lasting, the tires are wider, and the motor is more powerful. And we did all this without compromising its weight, maneuverability, or design. This Mate is a great excuse to get out of town. And with the new easy shifting gears, you can tackle any obstacles without breaking a sweat. Mate X has bigger, more rounded, anti-puncture tires for better grip and better control. This gives you the freedom to go off limits, enjoy the scenery, and make your own fun. High-performance hydraulic disc brakes guarantee you'll always be in control. And in combination with the hydraulic full suspension, riding a Mate has never been smoother, even in the roughest of terrains. Whether you're into adventure, leisure, or just need a bike to get to work, Mate X guarantees a cool, safe, and unique riding experience. Let the bike do the work and cruise at 20 miles per hour for up to 80 miles on a single charge. And thanks to the built-in USB port, running out of juice will never be a problem. Mate X is still foldable, so it's easy to bring it along if you think you'll need it. And Mate X's longer-lasting battery with more volts and more powerful motor gives you acceleration and towing capacity to power your daily adventure. It's been an amazing journey so far, and we're just getting started. With Mate X, we can take it to the next level. Help us put this bike in production. The more we get funded, the better prices and better upgrades we can make to the existing bike.
And I can promise you one thing. We have learned from our first campaign and we have assembled the best possible team from those experiences to get this bike out and about as fast as possible.
With Mate X, we want everyone to experience the feeling of ultimate freedom and to show the world that biking can be so much more. Join us, and together, let's make it happen.
Hey guys, I'm Carlo, one of the Rolling Square founders. Months ago, we set out to disrupt the wireless earbuds market, developing the most complete product at the most affordable price. Meet Hyphen by Rolling Square.
We know you love them as much as we do. Back us today on Indiegogo and get your iPhone for just $39. Thank you.
We fill our time trying to remember everything. Our attention is split in a dozen directions. One key forgotten, one message missed, one card stolen. It all comes to a crashing halt. We lose focus on how to organize the simple things in life. But now, with Loomzag, the world's smartest and most innovative backpack, we can finally feel at ease and focus on doing what we love. Hi, I'm David, and I'm always on the hunt for innovative ways to stay organized and be on the road to success. And that's why I always choose the best. Loomzag is designed to make your life easier, smarter, and more secure. So let's take a closer look. Every day in our backpacks, we carry our most important belongings, And if you happen to leave something behind, the Loomzag app will notify you immediately. We all know how stressful it can be to misplace your backpack. Now, you will never lose it. Loomzag's real-time GPS tracker always gives you peace of mind, showing you the exact location of your backpack, regardless of how far away it is, even if you leave your backpack behind or if it's stolen. In today's urban jungle, you always need an extra pair of eyes watching your back. Loomzag's rear view camera helps you to see what's going on around you in real time. Also, your smart backpack will always keep you connected even while traveling. The built-in Wi-Fi hotspot will allow you to access the internet without roaming charges in any part of the globe. The Loomzag team is convinced that being secure is one of the main components of being at ease, which is Loomzag's main mission. When Loomzag is in security mode, it will keep any potential thieves away from your stuff. Many of us are constantly worrying about losing our backpacks or getting pickpocketed. The anti-theft feature is designed to prevent stress and give you peace of mind. If your backpack is open, or the distance between you and your backpack is too far, then you are notified with a message. Never worry about the safety of your belongings, even if you're in a public place. All of these functions are supported by Loomzag's TSA-approved, lightweight, removable smart box, ensuring a full day's charge for all of your devices. Loomzag allows you to charge your smartphone, tablet, and laptop simultaneously. The wireless charging pocket allows you to charge your phone on the go without slowing you down. Loomzag is where perfection and innovation meet. Get rid of stress with the most innovative backpack. Loomzag makes your life easier, smarter, and more secure, and it solves almost all of your everyday problems. Okay, all of your problems.